I spent hours in this Roblox football match and accidentally invented a brand new sport. No goals, no passes, just pure, unadulterated sliding. Look at me. Does this look like a guy who knows how to kick a ball? If you're having a bad day, just watch me completely ruin my health and my team's career. So it all started when I joined the server, zero context. I'm just standing in the stadium like, is this right? Am I supposed to be here? They made me pick a team, so I chose Belgium, purely because the jersey looked cool. Big mistake. The second I stepped on the pitch, two problems hit me at once. One, I had no idea which direction my team was even attacking. Two, I think I forgot how to walk like a normal human being. Our goalkeeper caught the ball, the whole chat is screaming at me, and I'm out there running around like a stray dog that lost its owner. Just chasing random people hoping one of them is my teammate. Everyone else is playing FIFA. I'm out here playing Fall Guys on a football pitch. I didn't know how to shoot the ball, but nobody, and I mean nobody, could get past me because I was sliding across that turf like a human lawnmower. By this point, I was so exhausted, I swear I could smell McDonald's in real life. I actually said out loud, I'm loving it, but I have no money, brother. I was 2 minutes away from pausing the match to beg my friend for a burger. I already knew what he was gonna say. Then the final 2 minutes hit. The enemy team put 4 goals past us. 4! After everything I'd been through. And there was this one girl on their team playing like prime Ronaldinho. She single-handedly ended our whole season. At that point, I stopped caring about the scoreline. I didn't want the match trophy anymore. I wanted the trophy for best skid and most falls in Roblox history. We got cooked. I'm gonna go cry in my room for the rest of the day. Hit subscribe if your football IQ is way better.